Good morning, student. Class 1 standard student, I hope you all are good and doing your study at home. So let us read a chapter again. This is your fifth chapter. Its name is Computer Mouse. You must have seen a house mouse. It has a tail and runs very fast. It carries diseases. A computer mouse also has a tail, but it cannot run. It does not carry diseases. You must have all heard of the mouse, computer mouse and house mouse. You all saw a mouse in your house. House mouse has a tail, and what they do? They spread diseases. But a computer mouse also has a tail, but it does not spread diseases. Now we will read what is the work of mouse. Let us learn more about the computer mouse. The computer mouse has buttons on it. It is attached to the CPU box with a wire. It is used to draw pictures and select things on the monitor. We see that the mouse has two buttons, and those which are attached to the CPU box with the wire, and it is used to draw picture and select the objects. Mouse buttons. A computer mouse may have 2 or 3 buttons. It can also have a scroll wheel. Look at the pictures given below carefully. This is a right button, and this is left button, and this is middle button. This is mouse with 2 buttons. This is mouse with 3 buttons. By the way, there are only 2 buttons of the mouse, left button and right button. But the middle button is called scroll wheel, which is called scroll wheel. Scroll wheel help to move pages up and down. These days the mouse may not have a wire. It is called wireless mouse. Nowadays wireless mouse is available in the market. It is called wireless mouse. They have no wire. Mouse pointer. When you move the mouse pointer, white arrow moves on the monitor. This is a white arrow. Move on the monitor. This is called pointer. This is called mouse pointer. Mouse pad. To make the mouse work properly, you must place it on the mouse pad. A mouse pad is a thing on which the mouse is kept. The buttons on and the wire of the mouse should always be pointing away from you. A wireless mouse can be used without a mouse pad also. Mouse pad. What is the work of mouse pad? The mouse pad that is placed on top of the mouse is called the mouse pad, so that no dust is done inside the mouse, and the button of the mouse should also keep away from themselves. Now, holding a mouse. Before you can use the mouse, you must know how to hold it correctly. Let us see how you should hold the mouse. Look at the fingers on your hand. You all will know the name of the finger on both sides. This is thumb, this is index finger, this is middle finger, and this is ring finger, and this is little finger. If you are right-handed, you will place the index finger in the first button and middle finger on the second button. If you are right-handed, you must keep the index finger on the left button and the middle finger on the right button. If you are left-handed, you must keep the middle finger on the left button middle finger on the left button and index finger on the right button. Mouse action. You can use the mouse in different ways. They are called the mouse action. You can use the mouse in the different ways, which is called mouse action, like click, double click and scroll. Click. Press any mouse button and leave it quickly. Did you hear a sound? Yes, it made a clicking sound just like your camera. This action is called mouse click. What is the meaning of click? When we press the mouse button, a sound is heard. This action is called mouse click. We can click mouse 3 ways: left click, right click and double click. A mouse click generally means left click. Left click is used to select thing on monitor. To left click a mouse, press the left button with your index finger and release it quickly once. Most the time we do left click only. Left click is used to select an object in left click. We click left button with index finger and release it. Double click. Double click means to press and release the left button 2 times quickly. It will make a sound click click. Double click is used to select and open a program. What is the meaning of double click? Double click means to click the left button twice and it makes a sound click click. Double click is generally used for selecting or opening an object. Scroll. The scroll wheel is used to move the page up or down. This action is called scrolling. Now see what is the use of scroll. With the help of scroll button, we move the page up and down in the screen. This chapter is now over. In this chapter, we learn a lot about the mouse. How the mouse works, how many buttons the mouse has, how to hold it, etc. Hope you all are understood this chapter very well. This chapter will have to be repeated again and all the homework given PDF will be taken down in your notebook. And remember, we'll meet you again in next class. Stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.